Hey, it's Ron Ipach, and on today's video, I want to share with you a really simple way for you to come up with the perfect plan on how to make your business better. It doesn't matter whether you need technicians, you need more car count, you need to make more profit, whatever it is in your business, I'm going to show you exactly how to know what it is that you need to do in your business to make this the best year ever. It's a process called inverted thinking. Now, I was originally introduced to this while I was watching a video by Alex Hermozi where he detailed inverted thinking in business. And what I want to do is I want to kind of narrow it down specifically for your auto repair shop. Okay, so let me give you a demonstration of this and let me show you how easy and how powerful this is. Real quick, come up with 10 ways to totally screw up your business this year. Okay, I bet you can come up with 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 ways you can possibly screw up your business. Now, what I want you to do is write all of those down. Okay, so whether it's treating customers poorly, whether it's delivering crappy customer service, maybe hiring the worst technicians you can possibly find, maybe it's undercharging for your services so you don't turn a profit and you wind up going out of business. Whatever it is, I bet it's real easy to rattle those things off in your head very quickly, right? Now, once you have that list, flip it on its ear. And now you have a list of exactly what you need to do to make your business better. If these things are going to make your business worse, the opposite is going to help make your business better. So in other words, when you reverse things, instead of treating your customers like crap, you treat them like king. The customer's king. Instead of delivering crappy customer service, you're delivering outstanding customer service. You're hiring the best technicians you could possibly find, and you're charging a fair price that allows you to turn a profit so that you can stay in business. The list goes on and on and on. Our minds tend to think of ways to destroy things. All you got to do is take that list and let your mind do what it does best and then flip it upside down. It's really that simple. You're welcome. I'll see you on the next video.